Are you often sitting around waiting forever for a decent order? Multi-apping may be the solution you're looking for. Let's go. Today we're covering multi-apping. So we'll start off quickly just by going over what is multi-apping. Multi-apping is basically when you use multiple apps at the same time to increase the amount of offers you receive. So it takes less time for you to receive a good offer. So secondly, we'll go over how to multi-app. Now, you're going to want to sign up for multiple apps. I would recommend Doordash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. Those are the top three if you're looking for food delivery. You could also consider Shipt and Instacart if you don't mind grocery delivery. Personally, I do Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, and Shipt, and those four have been very good for me. My dog just let off the biggest sigh. A dog's life must be so hard. Alright, so you could also look for other apps in your area. Someone recommended Curry in my area. I think there's one called Deliver That. Maybe Amazon, Flex, Walmart Spark, I think are a few others to consider and look into. Alright, so you know what multi-apping is. You know how to multi-app. Once you get on the platforms, what do I need to know now? So you're going to want to know that there's two different ways to multi-app. One is called clean multi-apping and the other is dirty multi-apping. Clean multi-apping is the safe way. I recommend this for newbies. Until you get more familiar, then you could consider the dirty multi-apping. So to clean multi-app, you just turn on more than one app and you take offers from more than one app. Ideally, you'll be close to a restaurant. Proximity does come into play, so you'll get more offers. And once you get a good offer, when you're clean multi-apping, you're going to turn off the other apps and you're just going to focus on that one offer, that one good offer, and you're going to use it to help you get a good offer quicker and to prevent downtime. Once you're 5 minutes away from the drop-off, you're going to want to turn on the other apps. Like I said, you're going to want to prevent any downtime. That's very big in the gig economy. Alright, so when dirty multi-apping, you're going to want to know the differences between the platforms you're using. So, for example, if you're doing Shipt, you get a 1 hour delivery window. It's pretty easy to multi-app when you have an hour to drop off an order. With Shipt, normally, while I'm shopping the order, I'll turn Uber Eats or DoorDash on. I shop for them as well. So if they send me a Target order, if it's going the same direction, I could add that to my trip as well. And then I could just take care of that first if necessary because I have that hour delivery window with Shipt. So just be aware, on DoorDash, you can get a contract violation if you're over 10 minutes late to pick up or drop off. So you got to keep that in mind. Normally, I prioritize DoorDash because they are the strictest. They cut back on the amount of time you receive recently to try to combat dirty multi-apping. On Uber Eats, they give you a little extra time, so that helps. Good to know. On Grubhub is the least strict, I would say. So those are some pro tips. You're going to want to get familiar with the different apps so you know how to manage your work performance on those apps and your stats. So when you're taking multiple offers from different apps, you're going to want to make sure that they're going in the same direction. Normally, I try to make sure they're no more than 5 minutes apart or 5 minutes out of the way. But yeah, I recommend just doing the clean multi-apping and then on the rare occasion do the dirty multi-apping if the orders are literally like right next to each other, a couple minutes away, like why not? So I did clean multi-app and dirty multi-app today and yesterday, so I'll share some results with you. Yesterday, I did mainly clean multi-apping with one dirty multi-apping trip, and I ended up making $150 in 6 hours. So that was about $25 an hour, which was pretty good. And then today I worked 3.5 hours this morning. I made $75. I cleaned multi-app today. So when I got a Uber, I paused the Doordash. When I was on Doordash, I turned off the Uber. So that was about $22 per hour today. If I didn't multi-app today and yesterday, those numbers would be much less. So definitely recommend giving it a try. Definitely recommend clean multi-apping. Alright, so that does it for today. If you enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, please drop a like down below. Please leave a comment on your thoughts on multi-apping. I know some people are against dirty multi-apping, but I just want to go over everything just so you're informed, and then you can make a decision based off that knowledge. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel to support so you don't miss future videos. I do have a bunch of videos planned for the future. If you have any requests, just drop a comment down below. Someone actually requested for me to go over multi-apping, so I wanted to make this video. Hope your day's going well. Peace out.